Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got hold some new problem which says find the distance between the parallel planes, this and this. So, we need to find out distance between these two planes. So, the plane 1 is 2x minus 2y plus z plus 1 equals to 0. This is plane 1. This is your plane 2, 4x minus 4y plus 2z plus 3 equals to 0. Now, these guys are already mentioning that these two planes are parallel. So 100% we will have distance as something. If they are inclined by some angle, the distance would be 0. So if they will ask you to find out distance between the planes, first we will find out the angle. If the angle is 0, then you need to find out distance. Otherwise, distance would be 0. Okay. So they have already mentioned that these two planes are parallel. Now, you know that the distance between the parallel planes are d1 minus d2 by root over a square plus b square plus c square is, this is the formula of distance between parallel planes. Correct? Now, if you will observe for D1 and D2, you guys can go with 3 and 1. But what you will do with A, B and C? Because if you will connect ABC of this, it is different. ABC of this, it is different. So to make it into comfortable zone, what you have to do first, try to get rid of this problem. Multiply the equation 1 with 2. So it will become 4x minus 4y plus 2z plus 2 equals to 0. So this is your planes. Now you need to find out the distance between these two planes. So the d1 is 3, the d2 is 2. And now you have to find out root over a square plus b square plus c square. So it is 16, 16 and 4. So it is 36. So the distance is 1 by 6. Correct? Not plus minus, because distance will always be positive. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.